So that rabbit was shot at about 80 yards with the 17 HMR. And you can see that the velocity and the energy drop off at that range is quite significant with the 17 grain bullet. Though with that said, that rabbit didn't stand a chance. He was dead before he hit the ground. So having a look at the outside of the rabbit, there's just a small entry hole and no noticeable exit. And that's a closer look at the entry hole, just with the hair that's been plucked off it. So I'm just going to remove the skin. So on the opposite side, you see a large tear in the lining of the gut or the peritoneum, and a couple of small shards of bullet have passed through the outer skin. So it is in effect a gut shot, which has taken out the intestines and the probably the kidneys. Shards of bullet probably have penetrated some of the other organs below the diaphragm. But there's no vital organs hit to explain why the rabbit would be instantly killed. So to understand that, we have to look back at when the bullet hit the rabbit. And as you can see, the ripple of the pressure wave going through the rabbit as the bullet hits. And studies have shown that it's that pressure wave, which is in the order of hundreds of psi, directly affecting the brain, which is responsible for the instant incapacitation and death. Anyway, I'm not going to open up the rabbit, but I hope that at least gives some indication as to the killing effect and damage caused from the 17 HMR.